Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this vlog, we are going to feature Red Ribbon BAKESHOP franchise business package ideas. In 1979, it started out as a hobby-induced business in Timog, Quezon City, expanded into a proudly Filipino-owned and professionally run business. On March 2019, Red Ribbon BAKESHOP celebrated its 40th year here in the Philippines. This milestone marks 4 decades of bringing joy to family and friends and making each occasion really special through its delicious, beautiful cakes. Red Ribbon has grown to over 510 outlets all over the Philippines and over 39 stores in the USA. With its acquisition in October 2005 by Jollibee Foods Corporation, Red Ribbon entered a new phase in its company history. The company soon became one of the biggest and fastest growing bake shops in the Philippines and has since been a part of the Filipino families' celebrations and special moments. Their brand promise. With the most impressive and sumptuous cakes and pastries, they make every moment sweeter, every milestone more memorable, and every celebration more special. Their corporate values. Customer focus. They put their customers at the core, ensuring they consistently deliver on their promises of taste, value, and experience. They seek to understand, anticipate, and cater to every customer's needs while recognizing their responsibility to be actively involved in the betterment of their community and environment. Spirit of family and fun. They contribute to a work environment that's warm, caring, and accepting, and employ a happy and positive attitude towards themselves, people, and situations. They like to have wholesome fun and enjoy the company of their teammates. Humility to listen and learn. They solicit and value feedback, acknowledge their mistakes, act quickly to rectify them, and take necessary steps to develop their areas of improvement. Integrity. They choose to do what is right all the time, deliver commitments, take accountability for results, and speak their minds with objectivity, courage, and concern. Speed with excellence. They set challenging objectives and execute with urgency and quality. They consistently seek to improve the way they do things and quickly adapt to change. HACCP certified. Red Ribbon is strongly committed to product safety and high-quality standards. HACCP is a globally recognized system which is preventive and aimed to reducing the risk of safety hazards in the food industry. This means that Red Ribbon have developed, documented, and implemented systems and procedures to ensure their products are made with utmost safety and care in mind. Their products. Red Ribbon BAKESHOP has been a part of Filipinos' special occasions, where its truly delightful cakes have made family celebrations and gifting moments more special. Not only that, their delectable butter mamon, cheesy ensaymada, paisan, and moist choco cake slice been well loved too for snacks, school baons, and as pasalubongs to kids and loved ones. At Red Ribbon, they aim to make celebrations and every moments truly special. Any occasion, even everyday moments, can truly be much more special with their favorite Mango Supreme, Ube Overload, and Yema caramel cakes. Red Ribbon products consist of round cakes, cake slice, rolls, dedication cakes, sweet pastries, empanadas, meals, cold dessert and beverages, and family meal bundles. For the franchise package, The capital investment cost ranges from 5 to 6 million pesos depending on the final store size and facilities. The initial setup fee is worth 600,000 pesos, excluded for 12% VAT, and required upon receipt of the franchise grant. The franchise term is good for 5 years, royalty fee is 7%, and advertising fee is 3% of monthly of gross sales. The capital investment includes initial setup fee, improvement construction, equipments, fixtures, furniture, pre-opening expenses, hiring and training of store team. For the franchise requirements, the applicant is required to submit the following: letter of intent, indicate exact address of the proposed site, vicinity map of proposed site, include building perspective if available, location map of the proposed site. Online maps are preferred. Dimension and layout of the site in square meter, site pictures. Proposed site should be at least 50 square meters. Accomplished red ribbon application forms through the online franchise application portal at franchising.jfc.com.ph. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Can I still apply if I don't have the proposed site for a store? Answer. A proposed site is a requirement in applying for a red ribbon franchise. Question number 2. What type of training is available to a franchisee prior to opening of the bake shop? Answer. The franchisee and franchisee store team are required to successfully complete the basic operations training program at a designated duration and training store. This includes blended learning methodology such as classroom sessions and store immersion to reinforce the learning process. Additional training and support are provided on a case-to-case basis. Question number 3. How long is the return of investment? Answer. The ROI depends on several factors such as sales, market potential, investment, and ability of the franchisee to manage the overall operations of the store. Other questions on financial viability will be discussed once the site is approved. Question number 4. Who will provide the manpower to operate the store? Answer. The franchisee is responsible for providing the manpower to operate the store. Red Ribbon will assist in the screening and training process. The store team will be employees of the franchisee, and the franchisee will be responsible of their salaries and benefits. For the contact details, you may contact Red Ribbon Bake Shop Incorporated, Franchising Department, 29th floor, Jollibee Plaza Building, number 10 F. Ortigas Jr. Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, Philippines, with the landline number 0289825000, local 4152 or 4225. You can send an email at franchising@redribbonbakeshop.com.ph. You can also visit their FB page at Red Ribbon Bake Shop. You can also visit their Instagram account, Red Ribbon Bake Shop, and also their TikTok account, Red Ribbon PH. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Red Ribbon Bake Shop. Franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.